Section 2-6. Availability of town officials. All department heads shall attend the sessions of each town meeting for the purpose of providing the town meeting with information pertinent to warrant articles. If any such person is deterred by illness or other reasonable cause, he shall designate a deputy to attend in his place. If any person required to attend the town meeting sessions under this section is not a resident of the town, he shall, notwithstanding, be entitled to speak, in order to provide the town meeting with information on matters pertinent to his responsibilities. The town moderator shall call for a roll call at each town meeting session. Note: Section 2-6 was amended by town meeting vote at the annual town meeting, held on April 23, 2001 under Article 43, authorizing department heads attend town meeting. Approved by the Attorney General's Office on June 1, 2001. Section 2-7. Clerk of the meeting. The town clerk shall be the clerk of the town meeting. The clerk shall give notice of all adjourned sessions of any town meeting, in the manner determined by law, keep the journal of its proceedings, and perform such other duties as may be provided by general law, by charter, by bylaw or by other town meeting vote. Section 2-8. Rules of procedure. The town meeting shall, by bylaw, adopt and may from time to time, amend and revise rules, to govern the conduct of town meeting sessions. Article 3. Elected officers. Section 3-1. General provisions. A. Elective offices. The offices, to be filled by voters shall be a board of selectmen, a school committee, a town moderator, a board of assessors, a housing authority and such other members of regional authorities, or districts, as may be established by statute, intergovernmental agreement, or otherwise. Note: this graph in the original charter included town treasurer as an elected position. A vote of the town meeting of April 22, 1996 amended this, and deleted the position of treasurer, which was made appointed by the town administrator. The legislature gave its approval through Chapter 403 of the Acts of 1996, as approved on October 16, 1996. Note: this graph in the original charter included town collector as an elected position. A vote of the special town meeting of April 23, 2001, Article 5, amended this and deleted the position of collector, which was made appointed by the town administrator. The voters gave their approval of this charter change at the April 2, 2002 annual election. B. Eligibility. Any voter shall be eligible to hold any elective town office. C. Town election. The annual election for town officers, and for determination of other questions by ballot, shall be held on such date as may be fixed by law. D. Nomination procedure. The number of signatures of voters required to place the name of a candidate for any town office on the official ballot for use at any town election shall be not less than 50. E. Compensation. Elected town officers shall receive for their services such compensation as may annually be provided for that purpose by appropriation. Section 3-2. Board of Selectmen. A. Composition, term of office. There shall be a Board of Selectmen consisting of 5 members elected for 3-year terms, so arranged that as nearly an equal number of terms as possible shall expire each year. The office of selectman shall be construed to be a part-time office, and the compensation payable to selectmen shall be established accordingly. B. Powers and duties. The executive powers of the town shall be vested in the Board of Selectmen. The Board of Selectmen shall have all of the executive powers given to boards of selectmen by general law, or otherwise. The Board of Selectmen shall serve as the chief policy-making agency of the town, responsible for the establishment of policy directives and guidelines, to be followed by all town agencies serving under it, provided, however, that no individual member of the Board of Selectmen, nor a majority of it, shall, at any time, attempt to be involved in the day-to-day administration of the affairs of the town, but shall, at all times, act only through the establishment of the said policy directives and guidelines which are to be implemented by officers and employees appointed or employed by it. The Board of Selectmen shall cause the laws and orders for the government of the town to be enforced, and shall cause a record of all its official acts to be kept. To aid it in the performance of its duties, the Board of Selectmen shall appoint a town administrator, as provided in Article 4. C. Appointing powers. The Board of Selectmen shall appoint the town administrator, the registrars of voters, not the town clerk, but the other election officers, the Board of Health, and the members of all other multiple member bodies for whom no other method of selection is provided by the Charter. Note: Section 3-2, C, was amended by town meeting vote at a special town meeting, held on August 2, 1993, under Article 6 by authorizing the striking of the term town accountant from the list of positions appointed by the Board of Selectmen. The article did not specify anyone to whom this appointing authority fell. Act was to take effect immediately on passage. Sent to state on August 3, 1993, approved by the legislature on November 1, 1993 as Chapter 211 of the Acts of 1993. D. Licensing Authority. The Board of Selectmen shall be the license board of the town, and shall have the power to issue licenses, to make all necessary rules and regulations regarding the issuance of such licenses, and to attach conditions and impose restrictions thereto as it deems to be in the public interest, and to enforce the laws relating to all businesses for which it issue licenses. Section 3-3, School Committee.